Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites, patched Bloodborne and a progress save. Once done, head to Cathedral Ward. This location unlocks the DLC entry path. Make sure you have the necessary insight or progress through key story beats to trigger the next event. Immediately approach the Grand Cathedral lamp area and locate the upstairs door or accessible balcony area. This is the first actionable location. Move quickly but deliberately to avoid unnecessary combat, because the DLC entry sequence can be interrupted by death or missed triggers. Once at the cathedral, focus on the specific door or route that leads to the hunter's nightmare. Navigate stairs and ledges to reach the lock or altar. This mid-sequence requires careful positioning. Interact with the environment items and speak to any relevant NPCs because their dialogue can activate the entrance. If your game demands a specific consumable, use it now. Keep an eye on enemy patrols. Clearing immediate threats simplifies the interaction and prevents accidental resets when the portal begins to. You finish by stepping through the portal or lamp as soon as it manifests. This transports you into the Old Hunter's DLC. Once inside, immediately find and light the first lamp to secure a checkpoint and level up if needed, because enemies scale quickly. If nothing happens, pause and reload the area, re-trigger the NPC conversations, and confirm the DLC is installed and enabled on your platform. As a key troubleshooting tip, quitting to main menu and reloading the save often forces the trigger to appear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.